Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Volkswagen recently announced that they are ending production of the Beetle. Today I'm going to be sharing my thoughts on it and giving some information about it. First, let me start with a little history on the Beetle. It was designed in the 1930s by Ferdinand Porsche and Hitler. It was designed as a people's car but was interrupted by World War II. It was then used as a military vehicle along with the Kubelwagen, which later became the Thing. In the 50s and the 60s, VW production increased greatly and the Car Ghia and the bus were introduced. By the 70s, prices were increasing and the Beetle was discontinued for the 1979 model year. The 2019 Beetle comes stock with a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. It gets 174 horsepower. The base price is $21,115, including the destination charge. The final Beetles will also come in two special editions, the SE and the SE-L. They are available in Safari Beige and Stonewashed Blue. SE Beetles start at $23,045 and the SE-L starts at $25,995. Convertibles start at $27,295 and $29,995 respectively. These special editions come outfitted with features such as chrome trim, heated windshield washer nozzles, sunroofs, and bi-xenon headlights. SE-L models will also come with chrome hubcaps and white wall tires. When Volkswagen last stopped production of the Beetle in the US, they released the Epilogue edition. Base price for that was $7,140, and it came with a 1.6-liter air-cooled engine, radial tires, and a wood-grain dashboard, among other things. In my opinion, the new Beetle is a nice car. The design is nice, takes hints from the original, and the interior is also nice. It is kind of sad to see it go, but with Volkswagen introducing the new electric bus, I have some hope that it will be back, especially with this quote from the CEO of Volkswagen US. As we move to being a full-line, family-focused automaker in the United States and ramp up our electrification strategy with the MEB platform, there is no immediate plan to replace it. But, as we've seen with the ID Buzz, which is the modern and practical interpretation of the bus, I would also say never. So, with Volkswagen discontinuing the Beetle, what do you think will take its place? A new version of the Rabbit? Maybe a new Car Ghia? What do you think? Leave a comment. I, for one, think there's not going to be a replacement. I think they're just axing the small cars in general and focusing more on SUVs. So, thank you guys so much for watching the video. I hope you liked it. If you did, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Volkswagen content, and I'll see you in the next video.